I'm thinking, can I transplant that onto that? That onto that. That onto that. We'll see. So what I'm thinking is mounting my two spares on here, because I won't be able to mount the spare under the chassis anymore because of this lift mechanism. So glad I've had this truck for the day to really go over it and see what's possible. It's going to be a mission, but I think it's achievable, especially with the help that hopefully we'll get. So what I'm looking at is mounting the two tires on this stanchion here, right through there, and I'm going to make a pivoted bracket that pivots here. So as the ramp goes down, it straightens up, so the wheel drops down straight. And again, I'm going to do another one on this side, and I can have all my spare wheels on there. So I've got the two spare wheels here, and obviously the four on the truck, which gives me a little bit more room up here to maybe put, I don't know, some sort of box or something that can carry maybe a push bike or electric bike or canoes, boards, whatever. Got to make use of this contraption because it's quite heavy, so there's a bit of a cost in the sense of payload, but I think it's gonna do a good job. It's gonna be a perfect deck. So I'll just switch the isolator on, and we'll see if I can get this right. Oh, I've turned the isolator off. Put the isolator on. Whoop. Well, that wasn't meant to happen. Okay, I think I better explain what I'm thinking of doing. I know I've been banging on about doing an over-the-cab type box and all the stuff that goes with it, with all the container locks and the bed extension and all the rest of it, but I've come to the conclusion this is going to take me a long time. This opportunity came along on Gumtree, and after ringing the guy and speaking to him about the Pantec box and the tail lift, which is all included, it transpired that the chassis rails are identical. So I went to have a look at it, and lo and behold, they were identical, and the whole thing could actually slot onto the back of my truck without any major modifications, just some trimming of some bits and pieces. So we agreed a price and a date, and decided the first thing was to get the tail lift off his truck and put it onto my truck, which is what happened. He has the machinery and the space to do that, so he kindly got the tail lift off. You'll see in the last episode I was getting all the tanks on the truck, and at that point, if any of you had noticed, I already had the tail lift on there, and the reason why I was rushing to get the tanks on there was so that I could get the Pantec box on my truck. The tail lift was first, and then the Pantec truck was next, and I had just under a week to get the tanks on before the box went on, because it would have been really difficult to get the tanks in with the box on top. So my mate Mick came along, and he took all the footage, the pictures of what you're about to see for the rest of this video. For those of you who are hoping that you were going to see an over-the-cab type camper box, I've decided I'm going to go down this route instead. and I hope you enjoy the rest of this video.
The other way, so we're not running. That's better, so it doesn't interfere with anything else we do. Over there?
Yeah. Right, a little bit more. And I think she's a bit twisted, but that'll just right up there, slipping the sucker.
That's what I want.
But
Right.
again, like I said, it's tight on one side, and
But it's right on its back, right? So
do we want to get that to this level there?
yeah, that's what I meant. I just got it.
Oh, right, okay. That's level on that thing, but it looks weird there. That's level, but that's...
It was like that on my truck.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
Well, that's where it is. So I got a rubber on here to
Yeah.
soften the blow.
Which is 10.
And so that's back there.
Great pipe.
Oh god, I'm really going to install one of those, but it's still very expensive, a good one. Yeah, I'm going to buy one of those. today's the day. The transplant is happening today. It's a bit noisy because the truck's running. I hope you can hear me. Everything's ready to go. She's tied up. Hopefully everything is good. Nothing's going to fall off. And we're ready to rock. Alright, hopefully we can get some footage of it being transplanted. Laters. Have got the box on the truck.